Hi, today we are going to learn about Google Sheets. Number 1, study the words and definitions. Number 2, watch the video. That's this video. Number 3, take the quiz. 1, spreadsheet. Repeat, spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a document with information arranged in rows that go side to side and columns that go up and down. 2, Google Sheets. Repeat, Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an online program with rows, columns, and cells that allows you to organize information and numbers. 3, column. Repeat, column. A column is a vertical space. Vertical is up and down, up and down. And the columns are labeled A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. 4, row. Repeat, row. A row is horizontal. It's space that goes from left to right. It is labeled with a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is a row from side to side, left to right. 5, cell. Repeat, cell. A cell is the box created where the columns and the rows meet. So here's a column B, and this is row 2. How many highlighted cells do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see this one is in B2. This cell is in C5. This cell is in B14. This cell is in D9. This cell is in F4. 6, tab. A tab is a page in a Google Sheet document. 7, table. A table is a way to organize information. It helps us to analyze data. This information is organized in a table. You see the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and you see the activities in the rows. 8, column headers. This table has many column headers. The column headers are titles for the vertical lists. So, column B's title is Sunday. C, the column header is Monday. D, the column header is Tuesday, and all the way down. 9, row headers. Row headers are the titles for the horizontal lists. Remember the rows that go left to right? The titles are here. In A2, sleeping, playing on the phone, cooking food. Those are the row headers. 10, fill color. Repeat, fill color. The fill color is the background color behind text in a cell. What fill color is in A3? It's green. What fill color is in A6? It's orange. What fill color is in D2? It's pink. And you see the other fill colors in other cells. 11, border. Repeat, border. The border is the line around a cell or group of cells. You see that cell B2 has the number 8 inside, and you see this black line? That is a border. You see this gray line here? That means there is no border. How do you make a border? Click borders. 12, resize. Repeat, resize. Resize means you change the dimensions of a row or of a column. So I can move this vertical line, this column line, to change how big or small the column is. You see how the column A, B, C, D, they're different sizes? E is larger than B, for example. G is smaller than A. Please study these words, watch the video, and take the quiz. See you later.